Day one of the brake conversion. As you can see, there's no brakes on the back. We're gonna fix that today. No, I'm lying. These are my train wheels.
Yeah, he's got train wheels.
We're converting to autocross spec today, so we're gonna put some 30-inch rotors and some 4-piston Brembies on the back. It was 8 lug before for my truck wheels when I was rolling dualies on this thing to tow all the diesel trucks at the meets.
Yeah, that's facts.
Alright, drum.
Here we got the inner workings of a train wheel.
It's gonna be interesting. Let's see if we can get this one this time. Damn, it's gonna be difficult.
Oh shit!
Got
Touch
it.
my dick, man. So what he just did,
I killed Kevin.
twist the cap off of this.
You have to push it down and twist it so the holes line up.
Right. And then this
It's probably a real tool for that. I'm
whole
pretty
thing
sure
just pops out and like touches your dick. So be careful.
Yeah. E-brake. What the hell?
So you're getting both of the Johnnies out.
Okay.
And you gotta get the e-brake cable off of it.
So that pushes in and then pulls through. Garbage is out. Damn.
It's tightening.
No, it's not. It's
Yeah.
in reverse thread.
Oh. Alright, just send it.
Just turning the axle. There it goes.
So after you get this Johnny loose, there's 4 bolts on the back. That plate.
That I'm not gonna be able to get off.
You just need like a white stance, right?
Alright, let me get it from this angle.
White stance.
I.
You gotta make sure that it's on there flat,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Look at my other hand. Look at my other hand. My other hand, you just gotta get it somewhere where you can actually grip for the added protection point, right? And then there it is.
Beautiful. So what happens when you use the car how you're supposed to?
No.
Use the holes that are meant to take off the bolts instead of struggling?
No.
When you slide off? No. Just give her a little. There she goes. Oh. Set that down right there. So next up is taking the e-brake cable. Take that one. Go around a little bit. Whoa! Here it goes. Drums are gone.
After pulling the brake lines out, then we're able to put the new one in, and then comes the plate eventually.
Yep. So this goes right here. And this connects in here.
Yep.
So it greases up your axles for less friction, which means more skids.
You heard it here, folks. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So as you can see, drums are coming off for the disc brake conversion. So we have to take off the axle nut.
Edit. Oh shit. Oh,
That wasn't as bad as I thought.
Watch out.
It's fine.
Better knock me out. Alright, Damien. How long has it been?
It's been like 20 minutes since we started. It's already done. Didn't know what I was doing, but it got done anyway. So as you can see, we got the drum right here. And then this, I think is the e-brake. I don't think we really need it, but I put it on. I think it just adds drag and weight.
Yeah.
So if you're doing this, just make sure this is just gone.
Yeah, so like literally.
I mean, you don't need this either, but this is for like cloud points. You know, when you're rolling by people, they see the
factory one
reflection.
doesn't even work anyway, so you just gotta like.
Yeah, you know, it just
like all that. This is just like extra material.
This brake line right here, I think it is. You point this up here, shoot it at your tires, so when you're drifting, you get fatter skids. So we're gonna tack weld it to my fender well, so it shoots straight down every time I press the brakes.
Have they discovered that in FD yet? Oh shit.
It works pretty well as it's all over the floor.
Yeah, we know how to do shit here.
This thing's too fast. These struts, we're probably gonna delete them too.
That's also extra weight. You don't need that.
And the springs, you know, you can see they're like red. Red means stop, and we don't want to stop in
Red
this thing.
means stop.
So we're gonna take those out. So I'm gonna cut this out too, so my wheels like at least at my window. Stance Nation.
Yo, no brake pads, no such thing as last.
This thing's never been last.
No, I don't.
Alright, so as you can see, the train wheels are off. And now we have some... Okay, we got the adapter on. 2 bolts into the caliper. Brake line right there, runs through. Obviously not through your spring either. Yeah, we're gonna move that. That's not gonna stay there. I could zip tie down and stuff. E-brake cable that doesn't fit, which needs to be changed. Focus SVT rotors, 04, 2013 calipers. Probably don't work. Oh well.
What?
And now, to install our 2010 Focus wheels.